Good evening, everyone. Welcome to Neet Chemistry live classes in English. My name is Apple Naidu. I pursued my MS in Organic Chemistry from Andhra University. I have 4 years of teaching experience in Neet and IIT JEE. Okay. In this YouTube channel, we are providing NCERT line-to-line explanation of all the lessons from intermediate first and second year, which was very important for the Neet Chemistry. And we also providing daily 5 previous year questions analysis, which was very important for NEET examinations. Okay. Now let us see the 1 year plan of plan of action. Okay, in this 1 year plan of action, we are in June, and next month is July and August. Within 3 months, we planned to complete organic chemistry. That's why we started today's lesson from second year NCERT, that is haloalkanes and haloarenes. Within 3 months, we completed the organic chemistry, and next September, October, and November, we planned to complete inorganic chemistry, and the next 3 months, that is December, January, and February, we complete the physical chemistry. This is the 1 year plan of action. This is our 1 year plan of action. In this, we include that in this whenever completed the one chapter, that means within 3 months, we completed first and second readings. Okay, first and second readings is completed, and remaining March and April, we are going to complete a third reading and fourth reading plus mock test papers. This is all about the 1 year plan of action of our YouTube channel. We have to do is that please do subscribe for more videos and updates, and please share with your friends and family members. Okay. An important point is that in second reading, we are also providing how to make NCERT short notes. Okay. After completion of the plan, we have to remember the two important points. After completion of the one chapter, we are going to take a live class on how to make short notes on every lesson. And second one is we take live classes for NCERT extract for objective practice. Objective practice. Okay, after completion of an every lesson, we are going to take live classes on how to make short notes, and short notes for revision, and second one is NCERT extract for objective practice. This is all about the 1 year plan of action of this chemistry live classes in Neet chemistry live classes in English. This is the 1 year plan of action. All we have to do is that please do subscribe for more videos and updates, and please share with your friends and family members. Here we have to remember one point, that we are conducting live classes. That's why I am requesting everyone to please join the live classes and clarify your doubts. Okay, clarify your doubts and make a short notes and for short. Okay, now let us jump into the today's topic. This is introduction of haloalkanes and haloarenes. This is the first lesson from the second year organic chemistry. Okay, now let us jump into the today's topics, that is haloalkanes and haloarenes. Okay, halogenated compounds persist. That means a resistance in the environment due to their resistance to breakdown by soil bacteria. Here we observe that these halogenated compounds which are not dissolved by soil bacteria. That's why these are present at the surface of the earth. Okay, this is a small one point regarding the haloalkanes and haloarenes. Okay, now let us jump into the. Okay, here we have to observe that this is only introduction video all about the haloalkanes and haloarenes. In the upcoming videos, we are going to discuss one by one. Okay, and the first one. Now let us try to understand what you meant by haloalkanes and haloarenes. Here is the points, that the replacement of hydrogen atom in a aliphatic and aromatic hydrocarbon by halogen atoms results in the formation of alkyl halide, that is haloalkane, and aryl halide, that is haloarene, respectively. Okay, now let us try to understand these lines by taking a simple example. Okay, now let us take a simple example to explain that concept. Now let us change the color. Here they tell that here now let us take an hydrocarbon, one hydrocarbon. Here this hydrogen is replaced by, that means removal of hydrogen and addition of halogen. Here I think we have an idea about the halogens. Halogens which are fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodines. These all are halogens. Here one hydrogen is replaced and halogen is substituted. That means CH3 bond CH2 bond Cl. This is called the what we say haloalkanes or aliphatic. Aliphatic which means a straight chain. This is the haloalkanes. Now let us try to understand how to produce aryl halides. Now let us take a simple example, that is benzene. Here benzene we have 6 hydrogen atoms. Okay, here is the 6 hydrogen atoms. Same in the above process. Here we have removal of an hydrogen and substituted chlorine. We get Cl. That means aryl halides or haloarenes. This name is also called as an alkyl halides. Alkyl halides. I hope this concept is clear to you. What, how to prepare and what is meant by haloalkanes and aryl halides or haloarenes and haloalkanes. Now let us try to understand the next point. Haloalkanes contain halogen atoms attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom of an alkyl group, whereas haloarenes contain halogen atom attached to sp2 hybridized carbon atoms and aryl atom. Okay, now let us try to understand these lines in the given examples. Here they explain that in this the halogen attached carbon, the above lines they talk about the halogen attached carbon hybridization. Okay, here we observe that this carbon having single bond, so this undergoes sp3 hybridization. Okay, sp3 hybridization. Okay. In haloalkanes or aryl halides, we have sp3, that carbon halogen attached carbon having the which hybridization? sp3 hybridization. Now let us come to the aryl halides halogen attached carbons hybridization. Here we observe that this is the carbon which is attached to a halogen. Here we observe that double bond is present. The double bond is present, so it clearly indicates that its hybridization is sp2 hybridization. Okay, I hope this concept is clear and these lines are also clear. Okay, now let us see the next one. Many halogen containing organic compounds are occur in nature and some of them are clinically useful. These halogens are which are present in nature and which will be used for clinical purposes. Okay, now let us see the some of now let us discuss some of these natural occurring compounds and how they used in clinically. These classes of compounds wide applications in industry as well as in day-to-day life. These type of compounds, halogenated compounds, which are used in industry for the synthesis of other products and which are used in our day-to-day life. Okay, they are used as a solvent for relatively non-polar compounds and as a starting material for the synthesis of wide range of organic compounds. Here we observe that they are used for solvents for relative non-polar. Why? These halogen containing compounds used as a non-polar. Why? Because these haloalkanes and haloarenes are non-polar. That's why these are used as non-polar solvents. Polar like dissolving likes. That's why we use the non-polar. These used as a non-polar solvents in organic synthesis. These are also used as a starting material for the synthesis of wide range of organic chemistry. How these used as to synthesize the organic compounds. Now let us take an example to explain this concept. For example, here is methyl chloride. This methyl chloride is reacted with nucleophile. That means this nucleophile attack this on this carbon and Cl minus is removed. Why? Because Cl minus is a good living group. Okay, so the product is methyl alcohol plus methyl alcohol is produced. In this way, the haloalkanes are used as starting materials in organic compounds. And next important point is the chlorine-containing antibiotic. Okay, the chloramphenicol produced by microorganisms is very effective for the treatment of typhoid fever. For the typhoid fevers, the chlorine-produced antibiotic chloramphenicol is used. Okay, you have to uh, remember this point. Why? Because we observed that in 2023 paper, they taken lines from the Ncert and given in paper as statements. So each and every statement you have to understand. By reading of Ncert, we are not get the full marks. Why? Because we have to understand each and every line by taking an example. Okay, we have to remember that the chlorine containing antibiotic chloramphenicol. Okay, now let us write for remember purpose here chloramphenicol which is used by the typhoid fever. Okay, and next point, our body produces iodine containing hormone which is called the thyroxine. Thyroxine iodine is produced. If the deficiency of this thyroxine, the disease called the goiter is produced. Okay, now let us take an okay, here iodine deficiency, okay, iron containing hormone that is thyroxine, and which is the deficiency called the disease goiter. Next, a synthetic halogen compounds that is a chloroquine is used for the treatment of malaria. Okay, the chloroquine which is used for the treatment of malaria. Okay, I hope in the upcoming NEET 2024 paper we can expect questions from this topic also. Why? Because what is in matching type of questions, we may expect questions on this. Here they give the chloramphenicol, iodine, and the chloroquine, and the last one is halogens are now in the list one, and they give the in the list two what are the uses of these compounds. We have to match the list one with list two. You may expect you have to make an objective question from this concept also. Okay, I am trying to make an objective question from these points for easy to remember. Okay, chloroquine which is used for the treatment of malaria, and halogens which is used as an anesthetic drugs in the surgery. And the next one is certain fully fluorinated compounds are being considered as a potential blood substitute in surgery. Okay, here we are, and fully fluorinated compounds are used as a highly potential blood substituents in surgery. Okay, now let us remember these points which are very important with respect to exam point of view. You may expect a question on 2024 also. Why? Because here we are providing list 1 and list 2 make an objective question. Chloramphenicol which is used for the typhoid fever treatment, and iodine containing thyroxine hormone thyroxine which is deficiency cause the goiter disease, and chloroquine which is used to treat the malaria, and halogen which is used for anesthetic drug. And fifth one is fully fluorinated compounds. Here, in the next 2024 question, here they given a statement certain fully hydrogenated compounds are being considered as potential substance in surgery. Above statement is correct or wrong? They ask. Here we have to remember that fully fluorinated compounds are used as a potential substance in surgery, not hydrogenated compound. So we have to remember this point. Okay, we have to write on this for remember purpose. Fluorinated compounds. What is its use? Potential substituents in potential substituents potential substituents in surgery. I hope this concept is clear to you. Now let us discuss next point. In this unit, you will study the important methods of preparation, physical and chemical properties. All these are discussed in the upcoming videos. I hope this is all about the introduction of haloalkanes and haloarenes. I hope this concept is clear to you. I explain each and every point and so on. I hope this video is clear to you. Okay. If you have any doubts, please comment below, or please send an I given my WhatsApp number in description box. If you have doubts, and please send to my WhatsApp number. And please do subscribe for more videos and updates. We are conducting one point. We have to remember that we are conducting live classes. Please attend the live classes and clarify your doubts. It's an uh, it's a good opportunity for those students who are preparing for NEET 2024 and 2025. And all you have to do is that please do subscribe and activate the bell icon. Okay, and please share with your friends and family members and